When a star explodes, it shoots out billions of atoms into space, where they form a huge cloud of dust called a nebula. Other than hydrogen and helium, pretty much of all the atoms are around today were originally made inside stars and shot out into space when their star became a supernova. Most of the carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, silicon, and radon that we have on Earth originally came from a supernova explosion. In addition, because the explosions are so hot, hundreds of millions of degrees, new, heavier kinds of elements like gold and uranium form within the explosion itself. It takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4 seconds for the Earth to rotate its axis.
The Cloud Nebula is 6,500 light-years away from the Sun. The nebula's width in the image below is 8 light-years. Its length in this image is 11 light-years. This is Cameloparda and Cygnus. This is Cepheus. Supernova 1604, also known as Topoi supernova. This is supernova dust M74 in Cygnus.
The Jellyfish Nebula is a galactic supernova remnant in the constellation of Gemini.
This is the Wolf-Rayet star in Cygnus.
This is the Witch Head Nebula, near Orion's star Rigel. This is Sagittarius.